I've been wanting to record this video for a while, but at the same time, it makes me cringe. I sent out cold emails when I first started my business. I have heard other paid search managers and freelancers who've had success with this method. I tried it. And I scoured the internet and I looked for categories of companies. I looked at the website, I decided, is this a company that I even want to work with? And I sent them an email. Let's go ahead and look at that email that I sent and analyze that, and then we'll talk about the second campaign that I did. The first one I did was a graphic design and branding. And I started with a compliment and I said, hey, your design is amazing. Just so you know, my name's Sarah, blah, blah, blah. I'm a paid freelancer. I'm reaching out because I'm interested in connecting with other creatives who are looking to expand their services. And these are the results that I got. Got 45% open rate, 0 replies. Not that great. Given the fact that it took me so long to even find 6 recipients that I wanted to work with, I would not consider this campaign successful. The second campaign that I did, I literally just looked up companies that I was interested in working for, and then I went ahead and sent email. What these emails, I got directly to the point. I just told them, like, this is who I am, these are my experiences, and here's what I can help you with. And I ended it saying I'll talk to them for free to talk about their needs. And if they want to learn more, schedule time to chat. But if not, no big deal, right? I really tried to make these emails, what's the opposite of cringy? The least amount of cringy as possible, but it still felt like a cringy tactic to me. And I determined it isn't something for me. And that was really time consuming. But a lot of the companies that do this at scale, they use a system to purchase a bunch of leads. They're telling the person, okay, well, we'll get paid based on the results that you get, or we'll be paid only if you get results. I mean, there's just different tactics that they're doing to get this business that I personally, for my business, am not interested in. But again, I had to do that and I had to try this to learn that, and I determined it isn't something for me. Also, I want to go over sort of the platforms and the expense of them. So I did Hunter.io here. This is the platform that I used. Let me see if I can find how much the starter plan is. So this is the plan. It is a subscription, and I want to say it was like $50, $49. And then you can do 500 searches, 1,000 email verifications, and you can have 3 different email accounts. And the email accounts are important, again, because you can't bombard your domain. So that's basically your domain is gonna be in trouble if you send out mass amounts of emails. I decided to cancel this, and again, it's not because I felt like Hunter.io was bad. It was, for me, this wasn't the method that I wanted to use. I prefer in-person networking, meeting someone, talking to them, and that is how I've been getting the majority of my business. But you know, don't knock a tactic until you try it. You have to try everything. This is why I tried it. Again, not necessarily the tactic for me. Hope this video helped. You know, I just really wanted to talk through what I've been doing in my business, how I've been challenging myself. And so that way, when you guys are starting out as freelancers, you can try and find what works for you. And I encourage you to try anything and everything. I don't want to say because this didn't work for me that you shouldn't do it, because I think that I learned a lot in doing this. One, I got out of my comfort zone. I tried something that I really didn't feel comfortable doing. I also learned what the cost was for this. I also learned a lot of things about email management and volume and what to expect and how many emails you need to send to get results. The tactics that I still haven't tried, I haven't tried cold calling. I don't think that I want to do that, but I may try that at some point, and I may just try it to get the video to tell everyone I did it. And that's sort of where I was with the email. And then I also, you know, like I said, I like the in-person networking, but a lot of people don't like that. In any case, thank you for watching. This is my video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something. I certainly did. I certainly learned that cold emailing is just not the tactic for me.